And until Facebook comes out with something similar, use the TikTok version. Facebook is one of those platforms that will bring it out, then do that. Not so simple. Who said that? Yes, it's not so simple. We have to try it. We have to keep using it. It's one of those things where I think, like I just tried it with you guys, but now that I just tried it, it took me, 15 minutes to actually do the video. And I'm just going to post a video right now. It's not the best video in the world. It's not it's not crazy, but it's just me having fun with filters in a video. So I'm going to post this video either way, and I'm going to say, first TikTok video while doing a TikTok live training. And I'm just going to post it. Yes, Rhonda.
Okay, so a couple of you guys are probably going to ask, what's better, shorter or longer? Well, TikTok likes shorter videos. If you can get it in 8 seconds, they love it. But they don't give you any more than 1 minute. If you need more than 1 minute, you have to do a part series. So you do first part, second part, vis-a-vis, however it goes from there. So you only get 1 minute. So it's actually really cool because it makes you get your message out in the most efficient way possible. And then using all the bells and whistles, you're going to make it as fancy and as eye-catching as possible.
Love it. Okay, so this way now I kind of have this, right? So you can go ahead and create, like you said, shorter is better. So that's what you want to focus on. And remember, shorter videos are just, you want to capture people's attention and just kind of do that. So yeah, it's not so simple, but I guarantee you that if you spend about an hour on it, you got this. I just spent 15 minutes and I'm answering your questions like I'm an expert at it and I just learned. So you can totally learn this within an hour, guaranteed. There's can this be posted as a video to Facebook? Yes, definitely. Like I mentioned, you can post this video as that as well. That's totally fine. I found that you just couldn't figure out how to start and finish. Oh, I found that just couldn't figure out how to start and finish. Well, the starting is the plus sign on the bottom. So when you go into TikTok app, there's a plus sign. That's how you start it. When you do the video, add the filters, do the whole thing, it will say next in red. When you go to next in red, it is going to bring you to this screen here. And this is the screen where it's going to be able to publish this video for you. So that's what it is. Oh, somebody says, I'm excited to try this out later. I have an idea. Yes, please. And you know what? While you're doing this TikToks, put them in the group so we can all see it. I'm going to post my crazy whatever it was that I just did. Video. Now so I'm putting it down and I'm going to put my caption as first TikTok video while doing a live TikTok training. What are some of the hashtags I'm going to do? Videos make life better. What are some of the hashtags that we should be using? I'm going to do marketing, right? I'm going to do first video, right? I'm going to do, what else?
There's also like a millennial TikToker tag.
Yeah. When I actually click on hashtag, guys, so when I actually put on the hashtag, it actually shows me all the trending hashtags.
Yeah.
Now, this is kind of cool because it's similar to Instagram, where if you have a trending hashtag and you're adding a trending hashtag, your video is going to get better views.
Yeah.
It's just going to happen because it's trending. So in that case, I want you to make sure that you are doing it. So I'm going to do hashtag random things. Okay. So I just did that, and so now I'm good with all the hashtags. It says select a cover, so I can select a cover. So I can select a cover. So I'm going to do that, and so when I click select a cover, it gives me my video, and then on the bottom I have options of putting frames in. So I'm going to select. So I selected this as a cover, and I'm going to do select cover. So now this is the cover that I have, and I'm going to post it. It's happening. I'm going to post my first TikTok video. Okay, are you ready? I just hit post.
OMG. I'm gonna go like it.
Yeah.
OMG. OMG. Now it's telling me to log in. All right, so this is how you're going to do your first TikTok video. If you're going to do the first TikTok video, I want to make sure that you're always doing it and always making sure that you are a part of this. Hold on. That you're a part of this system. All right, so if you have any questions, guys, go ahead and answer those questions. Rhonda and Claire, any last saying? So go ahead.
I would say with TikTok, the algorithm is very simple. It wants people to spend time on the app. So if you could get past second marks, for instance, if you can get someone to watch past 3 seconds, and then the next step will be 10 seconds, they're going to push your content onto what is the For You page, which is equivalent to Instagram's Explore page. That's when you go viral. So if you could get that punchline in right in the beginning and keep everyone's attention all throughout the 15 seconds, that's it.
I love that. Yeah. Rhonda, what about you?
I push collaboration. It's a social platform, right? It wants you to interact with each other. So you go on there and you find people that have similar interests and you like their videos and you comment and you duet, and it's organically going to put you higher on the For You page because it sees that you're using the platform the way it wants you to.
Wonderful. And guys, another thing that just showed up here while I was posting it is that it did tell me that my profile is public and I do have the option to make it private. And I know that some of you are concerned about public and privacy. So this is a great time for you to go ahead and choose that. So I'm just going to post mine because for me, this is going to be a business profile. So I'm going to do that and I'm going to do post now. And it says, okay. And then it's asking me, how do I see Minal's post? If you actually see my post is uploading right now. If you see in that little corner right now, it's at 67%. It's at 84%. And it is at 85%. And soon it's going to be posted on, it just got posted. It's posted. Okay. So when you
did it,
guys, I am people who want to follow me. I am Minal Sampat right here. If you see me, I'm Minal Sampat. This is my TikTok profile, and you're going to see my first video there. This is so much fun.
Let's talk about how many times a day you should use this platform to post on.
How many times?
Yeah, so 1 to 3 is the average in order for you to become organic.
Okay, so if you want to really use TikTok to leverage engagement and to get more brand awareness, you should be posting about 1 to 3 times. This is the same logarithms, guys. This is the same system as Facebook. Remember when Facebook used to post 2 to 3 times? On Instagram, you used to post 2 to 3 times a day, and now this is TikTok. So I think it's going to have the same kind of effect where you're posting multiple times a day. But once you're done posting multiple times a day, you're going to see a huge reach in organic. So if you're on TikTok, follow me, please. I will follow you as well. And please comment and share your videos. Share your videos. Like I said, it took me 15 minutes to learn this, and it's going to take you guys just as much or maybe a little bit longer. And I'm going to go on it and practice. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's training. My 2 wonderful team members, Rhonda and Claire, are here. They're inside the group. And if I can't answer questions, they actually know a lot more about TikTok than I do. So thank you all for watching. Thank you. Thanks, guys.
Bye. Bye, guys.